Double D, and this is my Built Authentic Triumph Tiger 800.
My name is Darryn Durham. I'm a motorcycle racer. I've been riding and racing for my whole life.
In the old days, I think it was kind of more about just riding for yourself. You hop on that bike and twist the throttle, and you're not thinking about anything else except what's in front of you and how fast you're getting there.
The vision for this bike was pretty much to take an adventure bike and make it a radventure bike. You know, catch some air on the thing and jump off of stuff. Got a more aggressive tire tread so I can lay it over on the hard pack and on the sand. I named it the BlackCAT. I had this in my head that it needed to be black, it needed to be stealthy. I was looking at the Triumph catalog of a whole hard parts kit for the Tiger 800. Levers, brakes, shifters, skid plates, guards, pannier bags. I mean, pretty much anything to deck out your Triumph, they have it in their hard parts catalogs.
It's pretty cool going on an adventure and not really knowing where your final destination is, kind of exploring new terrain, finding new trails, and that's what the adventure of riding is going out, finding new things that you've never ridden before, new challenges. You can find a new route if you wanted to. You find a trail that's going the same direction that you kind of think you need to go. You can see where it goes and hopefully have the bike to get you out of the situation.